Ever switch phones and need to update your Revolut account? Let's go step by step on how to change your Revolut phone number. Keeping your account safe and sound, begin by opening your Revolut app and tapping on the profile icon, usually found in the top left or right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, in the profile settings menu, look for the personal details section and tap on it. Inside this section, you will find your current phone number and other personal information. Tap on your current phone number. This will prompt you to enter your new phone number. Carefully type in your new phone number, ensuring there are no typos. After entering your new number, the app will most likely request verification. You'll probably receive a verification code via SMS to your new number. Enter this code into the provided field within the app as instructed. Once you've successfully entered the verification code, your phone number on your Revolut account will be updated. You might be asked to confirm the change. Always double-check the number at this stage to prevent any errors. And just like that, you've successfully updated your phone number. Now, you'll continue to receive updates. Always ensure your contact details are correct to protect your Revolut account.